Hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome to Xfinity. So I am back with another great video, and in this video I will show you how you can earn a lot of money by watching YouTube videos. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the link in the description and download this application from there, or you can just go to Play Store and write TV2. As you can see, it has more than 1 million downloads and 4.7 rating. So this is 100% legit application, and you can use it to earn in bitcoins and ETH. Earning money has never been so easy. You watch YouTube daily, but why not? You should earn money by doing this activity. So after downloading this application, you need to open it. So it says that you can get up to 500 credits per YouTube video that you watch through TV2 app. It is a great opportunity for blog people, or if you don't have any work to do, then you can use these kind of applications to earn a lot of money in your spare time. So let's click next. There are two options. That you will see from this application: whether you can donate credits to the video creators or content creators, or you can request a token payout. Obviously it will be in the form of Bitcoin or ETH that you can trade for cash. There are many applications that you can use to pay out your money. There are many more ways to earn right in this application. So this is the user interface of this application. You can search your interesting and your own favorite categories from this application that you want to watch, or you can simply go here and click on any videos you like. You will earn a small amount of credits by watching all of these videos. If you have any questions, then you can contact them. You can also follow them on different social medias. And let's talk about payout. Now it requires 50,000 tokens to first withdraw your payouts from this application. TTV is the currency in which you can withdraw this amount of credits. You can use either your cryptocurrency wallet or any application like this to withdraw your balance. I will also make a video on this in my next videos. So let's start by earning some small amount of tokens. I'm going to play this first video.
What is going on, crypto fiends? Thank you as always for tuning in. Today I'm going to break down and explain the perks and rewards of ETH and token pricing. Recently, for all rose gold, icy white, and obsidian black card holders is the exclusive crypto.com private club.
Okay, after watching this video for a few seconds, I have earned small amount of credits. As you can see here, I will show you. I have earned 29 credits for watching a YouTube video. Not 29, it is 38. It is updated automatically, and you can imagine now, if you are watching this a whole day, you can earn up to 10,000 to 20,000 credits. I will also make a video on how to withdraw these credits, but you have to subscribe for this to my channel so that you may stay updated whenever I upload video on this payout method. So let's earn a little bit more. I have successfully watched this video. Let's go to the next video and let's see how many credits I earned by watching this video.
The more or less 11k level, maybe that.
As you can see, I have earned 82 credits. That's way too much, and it is increasing rapidly. Now you can see how you can earn a lot of money by using this application. This is 100% legit, and you can directly withdraw your earnings into your Bitcoin wallet. And I will show you a bonus trick too in this application. As you can see, I have received 129 credits. That's way too much, and you can earn a lot of and you can also earn a lot of credits by clicking on earn more, and you can complete different offers here, and you can imagine how much you can earn. You can earn 1,26,000 credits, 40,000, 18,000, 40,000, 36,000. It means that you can withdraw your earnings within a day, and you can get daily 500 credits by just checking in. This is amazing. I have earned 273. Oh my god, 629 credits only within 5 to 6 minutes. That's way too much. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description and download this application right now and earn a lot of money by doing nothing, by only just watching videos. So this is a great opportunity to earn a lot of money, and if you want these kind of videos in the future, in the later videos of mine, then you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit like and share this video if you like my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned.